say my name. Now, say my name. Now, say my name. Hi, I'm Eric Reed, and I'll be your instructor for the CEH version 9 video series. I want to congratulate you for investing in one of the most useful and functional and just coolest courses in IT certification. I'll be your instructor for the next 5 days of content. We're going to be covering 18 modules varying from topics like Introduction to Ethical Hacking, security assessments, footprint and reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and ultimately covering tracks. We're going to be repeating the same types of activities using the same techniques and tools that actual hackers are using in the wild to allow you to become more proficient in their use and ultimately uncover the vulnerabilities in your own network and patch those vulnerabilities before any real harm is done. All right, just a quick little background on myself. My first fascination with computers was sparked back in 6th grade with an Atari 800 computer and a basic programming cartridge. I remember spending countless nights staying up way past my bedtime, writing simple text games that I couldn't even save to any sort of storage media. So was hugely fascinated with PCs right off the bat. And later on in life, when I decided I wanted to figure out what I wanted to do, I tried several things from sales, employee benefits, to construction supervision. I wanted to be a broadcast journalist at one point, and none of that quite panned out. And then it was brought to my attention network administration as a possibility for a career path. I got my MCSE in 4.0 in 2000 and actually started as a staff instructor almost immediately after receiving my certifications. Went independent in 2002 and then was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to sit the CEH Train the Trainer in May of 2005. So I've been teaching CEH ever since. It's a fascinating range of concepts and topics. It's always changing. There's always more to learn, and I absolutely love it. So I've been teaching for about the last 11 years under CEH from version 4 up to the current CEH version 9 we'll be looking at this week. I do training all over the country, a lot of live classes, a lot of online. I consult where I can, but my first love is definitely teaching, and it's a little bit difficult sometimes to keep my foot in both camps. So I love to teach, do lots of training, and we're looking forward to having a great delivery of CEH version 9. So welcome to the course.